everyone, I'm Ariel from eChinese Learning, and as well know, China is now suffering from coronavirus recently, especially in Wuhan city. As a Chinese, I feel very painful to those who have been diagnosed with this virus, and also to those who have already died from this virus. The government, the experts, the doctor, as well as the normal people here are trying everything possible to rescue the patients. And I believe we will fight against this virus soon. So today here we are going to learn some basic slogans which is used to cheer Chinese people up and also to remind people who are in good condition keep staying at home and do not go out for your own and others' safety. So the first one, now you can please read after me first. 勤洗手，戴口罩。Now again, 勤洗手，戴口罩。Okay, put them together. Let's read again. 勤洗手，戴口罩。Now, could you please read by yourself? Okay, now let's try again. 勤洗手，戴口罩。Good, excellent. Okay, now I'm going to explain the meaning, okay? So, 勤洗手, that means to wash your hands frequently. 戴口罩, that means to wear mask every day. So, 勤洗手，戴口罩, that means to wash your hands frequently and wear masks every day, okay? Now let's read together. 勤洗手，戴口罩。Good. Okay, now please read by yourself then. Excellent. Okay, so the second one you can see here. Now you can read after me first. 不出门，多通风。Now again. 不出门，多通风。Okay, let's try the sentence together. 不出门，多通风。Okay, try again. 不出门，多通风。Very good, excellent. Good pronunciation actually. Okay, so now can you please read by yourself now? The second one. Wow, great. Okay, so now I'm going to explain to you. So 不出门, that means do not go out. 多通风, so means we need to ventilate as much as possible. So 不出门，多通风, that means do not go out and ventilate as much as possible. Okay, now let's try again, okay? 不出门，多通风。Okay, good. So now let's read together from the first one, okay? 勤洗手，戴口罩。不出门，多通风。Okay, good. Now let's do some practice. If I read the first one, you need to read the second one. If I read the second one, and then you need to read the first one, okay? Now the first one. 不出门，多通风。Great. Okay. 勤洗手，戴口罩。Excellent. Now let's do another round, okay? 勤洗手，戴口罩。不出门，多通风。 Excellent. Now let's exchange. Now, if you read the first one, I need to read the second one. If you read the second one, and I need to read the first one. Okay? 哦，不出门多通风。Next one. 勤洗手，戴口罩。Okay, excellent. Now let's practice more. So if I read the English, you need to read the Chinese. Okay? Okay, let's have a try. Wash hands frequently and wear masks every day. Okay, the second one. Do not go out and ventilate as much as possible. Excellent, very good. Okay. Okay, so today we learned the 2 slogans today, and I hope you can practice after the class. And maybe you can also take short video and to fight for China. And you can also send me the video, and we can post on our social media. Thank you so much for today's class. See you next time.